know what. Yeah. It smells good, right?
And
that's just
smells
a little
divine.
bit. It is such
It smells,
3 little things mixed together, and it's.
It smells so good.
Jesus. All right, so now we're about to do a scalp massage. The scalp massage, we have fractionated coconut oil mixed in with 3 aromatherapy oils, frankincense, orange oil, and we have a little bit of rose hip seed oil, rose hip. In the mixture, make sure it's a carrier oil. Carrier oils allow for other aromatherapy and other oils to move and glide with the skin and still be potent no matter how much you mix it with, okay? Don't use any other non-carrier oils because it's going to saturate or consume all the goodness of that stuff that you put in that bottle. And you can't even smell it, okay? So we do about 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. We're going to coat the hair. Coating just means we're going to put it over the outer part of the hair. You're going to get the inside of the hair in just a moment. So right now we're just coating the hair. So it can be nice and smooth and silky. It's great for any skin type. No problems at all. No allergic reactions. And I've done my homework, trust me. So we're gonna now add in 3 more pumps. 1, 2, 3. So 6 altogether, but the first one is a coating. This one is now for the client and the deeper skin. So we're gonna ask our client to take 3 deep breaths. We're gonna breathe in love and exhale hate. We're gonna inhale peace and exhale problems in the world, COVID-19 included. We're going to breathe in prosperity and all wonderfulness of this world and exhale haters, doubt, disbelief, anything that's troubling you in this world, okay? Amen. And happy Women's Month as well, if I didn't say it in the other video. So now that this oil is in the hand, we're gonna go deep into the skin. So what I do first is I come down with my palms right on the forehead or the forehead line of the hairline. Not on their forehead, on the hairline. Because I wanna pull the skin back. See how the skin is resistant, it's spongy? Pull back, not hard. And then glide your hands, stop right here, and then move forward. See how the skin bunches up? That's how our skin moves. Our cranial area of our skull basically has skin. The skin moves, just like top of my head. Yeah, to get that movement, it has to be some sort of fascia in between the skull and the scalp. So it allows it to move because of the fascia lining, okay? So again, palms, I just come down, press to the head, and then I move forward, then back down, move forward, back down, move forward again. So from here, I'm just gonna now dig into the scalp. So my hands are just like the little velociraptor, you know, when they're about to tear somebody up, those claws come right on out and just. So this one, I'm straight, but then now I go down to where I'm about to claw into the skin, you know? So if your kids don't do that homework, you won't claw into their skull because, hey, you know, but don't do that, that'd be mean. But just get into that skull, like scrape into the skull. Now you can go slow, you can go fast, however you like, as long as it's up to the client. You ask them how they want it, how fast or how slow, how deep, how hard, how soft, all that good stuff, okay? For me, I like to start out slow and then pick up the pace.